Good news, sun-dried laundry. There's so many simple little things to be grateful for. You know, once I was reading a Wendell Berry, and he said something about we don't utilize the energy from the sun. And I just, it was hard for me to wrap my mind around it. This seems to make sense. There's so many ways that can be true. Here's a very simple one, just one among many, many other ones. Sun drying the laundry. I'm not trying to put a guilt trip on anybody. For some people, this doesn't work. Okay, but the energy that we save just by normally I don't do the socks just because it does take a bit of time. I have to admit to hang them up here one by one. But like taking your bed sheets and hanging it out in the sun, the amount of electricity that you save, and there's just something so primordial about having this experience of, we needed to clean them. They got all wet. And now the sun is just going to kind of kiss them and dry it and just have them all ready to go. And, and when you're sleeping on them, they're so fresh too. So in any case, I just wanted to throw, you can find a thing like this, pop that in the ground, unfold it. And, you can see how convenient this is to kind of spin it around. You can take that out and still mow over it. So maybe that's something that you could do too. But in any case, what a gift. The sun can serve human life in so many ways. One of them by sun drying our laundry.